So we're not expecting full sunshine this weekend. Tomorrow, though, plenty of sunshine. We'll break it all down here in a moment, but we did make it to 97 degrees today, the normal being 95. And so with it being 97, it's actually the hottest day of the year so far, of the season at least. So the normal being 95, the record 107 degrees. We were nowhere near that, thank goodness, but I'm sure that's coming eventually. Satellite and radar showing just how quiet things are right now, but we do have some clouds trying to bubble up just to our north and west. We'll see if it can produce any showers later this evening. The chance of that's really low. This is our DBU camera. Beautiful shot there. It is gorgeous, lots of sun, but again, it's a little on the hot side. We're at 96 right now in Denton, 93 in Decatur, 91 in Greenville, 92 in Athens, at 95 degrees in Corsicana. But after factoring in that humidity, it feels like 102 degrees in Denton, 100 right now in Greenville, 101 in Mineral Wells, and 101 degrees in Corsicana. So your latest timecast showing, this is going to be 6 o'clock, and it's been trying to produce maybe a couple of isolated showers on the northern sides of the Metroplex, but after an hour or so, they pretty much go away. So we're not expecting the intense thunderstorms that we've had the past couple of evenings. Overnight tonight, all the data agrees that we're going to be nice and quiet. It's also going to be a little breezy. The wind's going to be picking up out of the south. It's going to be a warm start to your Friday. This is going to be 8 o'clock tomorrow evening, and it's showing maybe a couple of isolated storms to our southeast, but then that's it. So most of us are going to stay dry on Friday. It's just going to be hot. It's going to be humid. It is going to be breezy. Saturday, if you have any outdoor plans, I think the earlier in the day that you can do those things, the better, because later in the afternoon and evening, here you go. We're looking at widely scattered showers and storms. Overall, the coverage in the Metroplex right now, it looks to be at about maybe 20% or so. So certainly not everyone's going to get the rain, but where we do see the rain and storms, we could see some heavy downpours. So we're going to be watching that very closely. On Sunday, though, Sunday afternoon and evening, kind of the same thing, except the coverage does look to be a little bit greater. So we're going to call it about a 30% coverage of rain and storms. Not expecting necessarily any severe weather, but again, if we do get any thunderstorms that could produce the heavy rainfall, well, then flash flooding would become an issue. So we're going to be watching that very closely this weekend. So for tonight, temperatures will be dropping down into the low to mid 70s. It's going to be warm. It's going to be humid. Tomorrow afternoon, hot and humid. Looking to high of 96 degrees in Dallas, 96 in McKinney, 95 in Gainesville, 94 in Mineral Wells, and 93 tomorrow afternoon in Corsicana. The rain coverage, we're not expecting anything across the Metroplex tomorrow, but going up to 20% on Saturday, a 30% on Sunday. By Monday, going down to 10%. But after that, it is trending a lot drier, but that also means it's trending hotter. So for tonight, mostly clear, warm and muggy, a little breezy. Temperatures drop down into the mid 70s, and then tomorrow afternoon, mostly sunny, hot and humid, a high of 96 degrees, a south wind between about 15 to 25. So that might help to provide maybe a little bit of relief. Keeping in mind this weekend, it's not going to be an all-day rain event by any means, but we are going to see some scattered showers and storms from time to time, and that could cause some heavy downpours. You certainly wouldn't want to be caught out in it. By Monday, though, that coverage goes down. Temperatures start to go up a little bit, not by a whole lot. It's warm enough. 95 degrees on Tuesday, still breezy, lots of sunshine, and we're going to stay quiet the rest of that week, and temperatures slowly start to go back up. Looking at the second half of that 14-day, there's not many chances of rain. It is trending a lot warmer. It is trending drier. We have a lot of mid and upper 90s in that forecast, but I had to go ahead and put 100 degrees there on July 22nd. Of course, we're still several days before that actually happens, so a lot can change from now until then, but right now, it's certainly looking a lot like summer.